Hey guys, to protect my cedar swing from the elements of the wintertime, I'll be using this swing cover manufactured by Cover Mates. So I'll show you how to put that on. Okay, as you can see, it wasn't too bad to put it on. Once you figure it out, it's pretty easy. So it just basically drapes over, and then the three sides has a Velcro that you just seam it together to close it. Then you have a couple of pull strings to tighten it up on the bottom. So it's kind of wrapped around the bottom and then the top as well. So this is a rain repellent type material, so it'll protect it from the elements in the winter time. So I recommend you cover your swings with a cover such as this. Have a great day.